Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and decent collection of borderline embroidery design. All of these borderline embroidery designs could be used for a wide variety of reasons. That is, you can use these borderline embroidery patterns for tablecloth, for prayer mat designing, for cushion cover, pillow covers, for bedsheet corners, for curtain borders, for different type of stylized DIY home-based accessory decorations. And the content or the scope is not only limited to this. You can also use these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery for dress designing also, along with the usage of mirror work, pearls, sequins, and beads uses to make them more formal and creative at the same time. So I would request you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish and trendy patterns of these very beautiful borderline embroidery designs. These embroidery for borderline are very simple, easy. Mostly the whole pattern is made using 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches. So it is also at the same time beginner friendly hand embroidery stitches. And furthermore, I have already shared thousands of designs of borderline embroidery onto my channel. You can go and explore if you are unable to find uh, a design of your own interest or choice from today's video collection. So guys, I would recommend you to do try my patterns and share your experiences, and in the comment box do let us know what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. And now let's talk about the things. I would recommend you that if you want to create the exact same look that is being shown onto your screen, then I would recommend you to use the same color of fabric base and to use the exact color combination of embroidery threads that are being used into a design, so that the achieved results and expected results could be the same, and satisfaction of your handwork must be improved. So I would recommend you to do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and request you if you have already subscribed to subscribe from as many other devices. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.